Hello guys, welcome back. And from your 5th to 6th class, you might have heard the camera named pinhole camera. Actually, this is a camera which was used in olden days, and it was you can even made it at home. It shows the picture inverted upside down, and even you are able to see the sun with this camera. So in today's video, let us look how to make this camera. And there's one more thing, that you are only able to see the distance object in the pinhole camera, not the nearby objects. Before that, let me tell you that there are very interesting pinhole cameras in nature. Sometimes when we pass under a tree covered with large number of trees, we notice small patches of sunlight under it. These circular images are in fact pinhole images of the sun, because it's a distance object. The gap between the leaves act as of the pinhole. The gaps are all kind of irregular shapes, but a pinhole camera doesn't have lenses, and you might be wondering, how does it work? Now first let us take a look how does a pinhole camera works. Now it is made by a tiny opening as a pinhole side opening to focus all the light rays within the smallest possible area to obtain an image as clearly as possible. The simple image formed using a pinhole camera is always inverted. Now you might be wondering, what is a pinhole camera always shows an inverted image? Well, let us look to the answer. Now the light always travels in a straight line. Thus the light passing from the top of the object after passing through the pinhole reaches the bottom of the camera screen, and light from the bottom of the object passing through the pinhole reaches the top of the screen, which causes the inversion of the image. So if you want to make a pinhole camera, watch this video. Within few minutes I'm gonna tell you how to make it. Let us start. Take a A4 sheet of paper and put the markings at 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and beat the remain. Do this at the both top and the bottom of your paper, and then make a straight line and then fold the paper with the straight line and do with all these lines, and you will get something like this. And now apply the glue all over the last area, the remaining area, and then spread it. Now fold it like this and make a cuboid of this, and then stick it very well. Then it would look something like this, and you should make two cuboid boxes. Now take a paper and put the cuboid box and mark the markings with the dots, and then match these dots. Now cut at the edge to the points you have made, and then fold out them very properly, all of them. And now mark the centers. It would be easy if you take a compass and put a hole at a pinhole size. Now apply the glue and stick it on a one cuboid paper which you have made just right now, and with the help of the scale or something else you make it. And if you are not able to do it, take a tape and then do it, and do the same with an A4 white color paper. And you should know that put this white sheet of paper into the other cuboid, and then put some any oil and then rub it properly on the white sheet of paper. Instead of this white sheet and oil, you can even use transparent sheet or a butter paper. And then when you are done, put this butter paper inside of the cuboid which we made earlier. And now our pinhole camera is ready. Do you know that this pinhole camera is also known as the camera obscure, which was its original name? So this much for today's video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.